Okay, so I thought I'd do a bit of real-time deving. I have some duplication on my. I've got your on my left thumbstick, and I want, that's fine. I might want to see if I can get rid of the steps, and then I have backwards and forwards on the right, backwards and forwards on the left, and strafe on the right. So what the plan is to quit out of that and just close that is to see if I can. I want to modify the right thumb move. Well, I need to rename them. So double click to put left, really, don't we? I thought it would be worth showing you that it is usable. Yes, a mouse and keyboard would speed things up. I've got hold two as well. It's a little bit finicky. So what I want to do. Hang on a sec. So right move. Oh, it's strafe. We want to disable the strafe. It says movement strafe, and also I don't think actually what we want is movement teleport. This is the XR toolkit that comes along with you add it as a add-on, I think. So I'm looking for teleport if it has it. World grab, don't want that. Maybe it's calling it something else. Sprint. I might add sprint, see what happens if I can't find teleport. Okay, going through it's got flight on there. Teleport, there we go. Let's stick it under there. So you can use the drag just about, but it is a bit like, we want that actually. So this is where let's delete that. Having a 2-button mouse is a bit better than, maybe if I brought the whole thing closer, then it will be a bit more accurate on it's doing something like that. Okay, let's try that. You can actually, if you hold down, if you've got, let's say, there's another way of working. So select that, you hold down instant and hold down delete. So function teleports, if that works. Okay. Any other options on it? Trigger. Right. Okay, let's just leave that. And I'm just thinking we've got nothing on doesn't have the, it might be nice to have the strafe, but let's just leave it for now. Let's try the teleport. Okay, and then we'll just hit play, see if that works. No, I'm missing something. It doesn't work. There's some option. Okay, quit. Okay, what could that be? Teleport, primary trigger. I was pushing forwards, I think. Let's try again. I think the teleport works with the trigger. Yes, there we go. So the teleport does work. I'm just being an idiot. I would like the turn on the thumbstick on the teleport, because you can do that. Yeah, this is really growing on me. I definitely want to, yes. Okay, so let's go quit. Go. I'm curious to know what flight is. I have a demo scene, I suppose, that I could, but it's just part me to on and see what happens. But let's get the turn, and whether the jump is on the button. Let's try. So move, select that. Okay, go turn, instance. Okay, let's try the jump, see if we can get the jump to work. Because we've already seen the turn. Jump, instance. Okay, let's try that. But yeah, the mouse is a bit more precise. Okay, so we've got the turn, but it's jump. Maybe I have to define a key for the jump. Oh, the jump's on the jumping and on the trigger. So let's define that with the buttons instead. I think would be better. And because the teleport's on the trigger, we could put something else on the joystick. But anyway, let's see if we can sort the jump, put that to the B button or something. Okay, wait. Let's have a look. Jump movement is on trigger. This is, I don't, what the button mapping's called. Okay, I think I found it. So I need the OpenXR action maps, and then we have it all down there. So presumably we've got the button somewhere. So trigger grip, primary joint, primary click, secondary, menu button, A, X button. So B, so it's X on this hand, and okay, let's try. Okay, A, X button instead of trigger click. Although you would have thought it would be X button click, but let's try A, X button on or off. So I guess that could be, of course, wrong. Okay, yeah, it's all lowercase. And it has touch, so presumably even if I just passive touch would work, even if I just rest the thing. But the bool, I think, will be good enough. He went scene, project settings, and then there's an input thing. Input map. Oh, hang on a sec, missed something. He's mapped it all already we haven't got one. We haven't set one up. Okay, I'm just going to give it a go, see if it works. So what am I doing? It's the jump, no longer the trigger, because the trigger's teleport. No. Okay, I'm going to stop the video there.